gentlemen, I'm giving you a task here. I want you all to come out with this answer. Now let's say that there is one blue platform here. So you're standing on this blue platform and you are the last person, and I want that this last person should go that side. Rest of you are already there. So I want you to walk on the ground and go and stand on that blue platform. All of you can go there. You also go there. Yeah, last person can be here. So now tell me, how will this person come that side from this blue platform? ये side वाले platforms भूल जाओ. And the drum that you see there is red in color. It is totally red from inside and outside. It is red in color. Now tell me, how will you get this last person? Question understood? Yes. All right, go ahead.
Firstly, we measure the distance.
In the meantime, we can have a look at the other candidates. They're also practicing. So we will come back to this group a little later. Let us see if they are able to come out with this idea. So I'm going to give these tasks to different students and I'm going to elevate the level of ideas, and then let's see if they are able to come out with workable ideas. All right, so I will elevate this for you, right? So let's assume this platform on which you're standing is completely blue, right? ये जो आगे वाला white part is also blue in color. And the hook that you see there is white, and that is where the last person is standing, right? You stand over there. Now tell me, how will you bring this person up to this structure, this platform, which is totally blue in color? Once you've created this idea, I will come back and check it, right? All right. So what is the requirement?
Sir, we will use
Extend an arm over there so that it can be used as a stopper.
So that is a very complex idea. How can you make it very simple? Now what is the requirement? What is the requirement? The requirement is to and therefore how should the plank be placed? पहले उसको रख दो. It should be placed like that, right? Now if you place the plank on that white T, place it on it. So क्या करना है? अपने माइंड में इस प्लैंक को ऐसे रख दो. If it stays like this, then the last person can step on it and come. Now tell me, how will this stay like this? क्या करेंगे तो ऐसे रुक जाएगा?
we can tie with the rope.
Tied with a rope.
There.
No sir, it will be unstable.
It will be unstable, isn't it? So how many are you seeing a triangle being formed there?
Yes sir.
Where is it? Triangle कहाँ बन रहा है? Absolutely. So there is a triangle being formed. So now what can you do with it? And then you will be able to use your small balli to block it from going up. So in how many seconds can you do it? Quickly do it. So I allow you to stand on the ground and quickly prepare this idea.
Yes, sir. Tie a cloth knot there. रुक जाओ अभी अभी उसको मत रोको.
हाँ, एक तरफ से शुरू करो ना. पहले एक तरफ बांध लो.
He's made उधर हमें बांधना चाहिए.
So in the middle of the rope, we are going to put it in the midpoint of this V, right? In the midpoint of this V. बस घुमा दो इधर से, तो ऐसे ही गोल भी घुमा दोगे तो चलेगा. Okay, fantastic. So you've been able to create a loop which is blocking it. However, इसको हम कैसे improve कर सकते थे? अगर आप ये loop you could have put it around that projection, तो उससे क्या होगा? ये नीचे को slide नहीं करेगा ना. अभी ये नीचे को slide कर सकता है weight के साथ. There is also a projection there. Perfect. So I'm very happy that you've been able to create a loop on which you are resting the plank, and then पीछे हो जाओ. Let me show that side. Okay, the last person please walk on it and come.
Okay, so one person has to stand there and...
All right. Okay. Perfect. Very well done. Proud of you all. Well done. Move on. Now you will put the... Now what is the mistake here? That you have put the knots very high. Where should the stopper be? Lower than the support. And you have done it the other way around. Okay. Now put your balli in between these two quickly.
Big balli. Take big balli.
पहले अच्छे से टाई करो. और let me see it from this side. I'm not able to see what you're doing. परली तरफ जाओ, मेरे को देखने दो ना. All right. All right. Now put the plank through this. And where should this big bully be? A little piche. Absolutely. All right. Now tighten it. Yeah. रस्सी को टाइट करो और छोड़ दो. अभी क्या पकड़ के को खड़े हो? Yeah. When you put weight, it will not go anywhere. Yeah. Step on it and come to the blue platform. Absolutely. Perfect. Very well done. Proud of you all.